Hey, Steve here from Prima Coffee, and today we're going to take a look at this adapter set that works with the Hario Electro Solo so that you can use it with other grinders. Basically, this turns your manual grinders into an electric grinder. It has a socket on the bottom here that fits perfectly on top of the drive shaft for those Hario models. And then you can just hit the on button and it'll turn that center burr and it'll do the grinding for you. So we put together this adapter set so that you can use this Hario Electro Solo with some other grinders. In particular, it's the Timemore G1 and the G1 Plus. And the option O REMI. It's just two pieces. You have your square to hex adapter, and then you have your impact hex socket here. And this here will fit perfectly on top of that drive shaft for both the option O REMI and that G1. Putting it together is pretty simple. You just take the square part of the impact socket here and the square part of the adapter, and you fit those together. And then what you're left with is this hex adapter that fits into the socket on that Hario Electro Solo. And then you can just put it on top of the drive shaft, hit on, and it'll do the grinding for you. You can find this adapter set online at primacoffee.com. Thanks for watching.